Hello my dear students and welcome back to Dr. Shorov's classes. Today's TMUA problem is from a very important topic, trigonometric equations with multiple angles and solution counting. Now in TMUA, many questions don't ask you to find the exact values. Instead, they ask how many solutions exist in a given interval. So the key skills we need today are like simplifying the equation, using the trigonometric ranges, understanding periodically, and counting solution carefully. Okay, so let's begin now. Question is, how many solutions are there to 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta whole square is equal to 4 in the interval 0 degree less than equal to theta less than equal to 180 degree. Now first remove the square. We know what? We know a square is equal to 4 or a is equal to what? Plus minus 2. So 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta is equal to what? Plus minus 2. This gives two separate cases. For case 1, 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta is equal to what? 2. So 3 cos 3 theta is equal to 1 or cos 3 theta is equal to 1 by 3. Now for case 2, we can write 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta is equal to minus 2 or 3 cos 3 theta is equal to minus 3 or cos 3 theta is equal to minus 1. Now determine the range of 3 theta. Given 0 degree less than equal to theta less than equal to 180 degree. Now multiply it by 3. So 0 degree less than equal to 3 theta less than equal to 540 degree. So we need to count solution of cosine in the interval 0 degree to 540 degree. Okay. Now solve the case 2 first. Cos 3 theta is equal to minus 1. We know cos x is equal to minus 1 at x is equal to what? 180 degree plus 360 degree k. Now within 0 degree to 540 degree, 180 degree and 540 degree. So there are two solutions. Okay. Now solve the case 1. Cos 3 theta is equal to 1 by 3. Now for any value between minus 1 and 1, cosine gives two solutions per 360 degree cycle. Now check how many cycles are in the interval. So 0 degree to 540 degree, 1.5 cycles. Each full cycles gives two solution. Okay, so first 360 degree, two solutions, and next 180 degree, one more solution. Okay, so total 3 solutions. Now total solution from the first case 3 solutions, from the second case 2 solution. Okay, so total 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 solutions. So final answer will be 5 for this question. Option E is the right answer. Now listen, this question tests 4 important ideas. When you see a square like a square is equal to k and then a is equal to plus minus root k, always convert the interval when the angle is multiplied, and solution per 360 degree angle for values between minus 1 and 1, and special values cos x is equal to minus 1 occurs once per cycle. Okay, many students forget to adjust the interval for 3 theta. Always multiply the interval first. This is a very common TMUA step. Okay, So today we learned how to handle the trigonometric equations with multiple angles and how to count the solutions efficiently. A very high frequency TMUA skill. Now remember, in TMUA solving the equation is only the half job. Counting correctly is the real test. In the next session, we will look at another TMUA problem involving logarithms and inequalities. Okay, so don't miss that and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.